was well organized, and we're very, very happy to be here to share all our experiences. I won't say expertise. Lahat po ito ay born of our experience. Now, it is often said that education is an equalizer in life. I agree. For people born without generational wealth, education is the key to overcome disadvantages, providing a way forward. But my firm belief is that intellectual property is the greater equalizer. Balik ko lang po doon sa ating statistics. We are a country of 7,641 islands. Baka madagdagan pa yan. 36,289 kilometers of coastline and soon 118 million in population. So these numbers show you the potential of ideas. The number of inventors, creators, innovators who can contribute to economic growth. Yet, where do we begin? Do you remember when we were kids? Saranggola. We fly kites. Maulan ngayon, no? Walang saranggola. So this is a very distinct memory for me. I used to make kites with my brothers, with our neighbors. Meron tayo barbecue stick, Japanese paper, plastic bag, bawal na, newspaper. The best kites were not the ones which were more expensive or colorful. You needed strategy for your cross-section, for your tail, for your flying line. This is the inspiration of IPO Phil. Wala namang masyadong saranggola ngayon. We can fly kites through our intellectual property. So this is our strategy. We start with K, knowledge. Importante, mahatid namin ang knowledge ng IT sa lahat. So we were all discussing earlier, how do you motivate, how do you push people? IPO Phil is not an office which sits and waits for you. IPO Phil will go to you and share your knowledge. Our ITSOs here, our state colleges and universities, I will go more into discussion later. You can call on us, we will help you in capacity building. We will help you with information. We will give you the knowledge. Through knowledge, you will have a strong foundation for education, for creation. Of course, the goal of IT is for the knowledge to reach even the grade schools. For now, we innovate through our resource. So that is I, second in the kites, innovation. We have state colleges and universities, higher learning institutions, research institutes. We have a growing number of ITSOs. Sino po mga ITSO namin dito? Innovation, Technology, and Support Offices. We thank you very much for all your innovation. Just looking at the statistics, in 2020, there were 640 IP filings. 2024, we have 2,257 IP filings from our ITSOs. Palakpakan po natin. They drive innovation. Earlier, we were discussing the GII factors, what we need: creative output, knowledge output, IP filings. Our ITSOs contribute to these. So the more we reach you, the more we have ITSOs, the more we will be able to contribute to increasing our GII. Now, we also have our transformation team. Ano po ang transformative impact ng IT? O bago po ang buhay ng tao? Kung ang inyong mga tinatawag IT, alam mo, marami kayong tinatago. IT is not just patent, it's not just invention. Hindi lang yan yung nakikita ninyo na utility model, or nakikita nyo ng marks, na trademarks. Malawak po ang IP. Kung meron kang tula, meron kang kanta, meron kang choreography, kasama yan sa IP. So we help transform citizens through the IT city. We give programs of waivers and incentives to help you reach your registration, and not just registration, commercialization. So we empower. That is key. We empower Filipinos to create. Now, we have marketing in Vancouver before, so creating PEC, marami na yung award na natanggap si Mark Henry Campillo. Tinulungan ko siya both ng IPOPhil and UOST. And he is now scaling up and trying to commercialize. But we also have other stories. We have the women leaders of Malay-Balay Bukidnon. They are known as the Tarunwanan Women Leaders Association. Sino po ito ang malaki, ikaw Bukidnon. And if you will know the Souls of Glass, gumagawa po ang mga tribal women ng Souls of Glass, relate them into mats. And because of social media, because of empowerment, they are now in the trade fairs. If you have time later, DTI is a trade fair in Festival until the 27, booth number 53, nandito ang TWWA. So mula sa Balay-Balay Bukidnon, nakakarating na sila dito sa Metro Manila and in other shores as well. They were in Bahrain recently, early this year, and that is what IP is. We help empower, we help lift you up, we help launch you. Parang kite, diba? Kaya ka talaga kites. And this is what we need as social relevance. So IP ensures that there is social relevance in everyday life, particularly through our anti-counterfeiting and anti-piracy initiatives. We want to protect not just the creators, innovators, but also the public. Tandaan po natin that IP equates to livelihood. Kapag bumili kayo ng fake product, kapag kayo ay illegal stream ng incognito o drama, ano man yung paborito ninyo, tandaan po ninyo, may kapwa Pilipino tayo mawawalan ng trabaho. So we